Welcome everyone, welcome back to Simon Says Let's Cook. Today we are going to make vegetable upma and a sweet dish, Kesari bath. Right, so let's look at the vegetable upma, what we need. We need rava, this is roasted rava, and I have a cup for measurement. 1 tomato, some carrot, peas and green beans. I have some jeera, chana dal, mustard seeds and urad. 1 onion finely sliced, coriander leaves, curry leaves, green chilli and lime. So keep the pan. When the pan is hot, add some oil. Put in the mustard, urad, chana dal and the jeera. Now the mustards are spluttered, the dals are fried. Add the onion, half of the coriander, green chilli and the curry leaves. Give it a mix. Add the vegetables of your choice. I have carrots, beans, peas, and the 1 tomato that we had sliced into. Give it a good mix and let it cook for a couple of minutes. The vegetables are kind of getting done. Add salt and add water. So if you have taken 1 cup of rava, then add twice the quantity of water. Add 2 cups of water. So add the water and close it and let it boil and cook nicely. Add some lime juice. You see the water is nicely boiled, the vegetables are cooked and it's slightly evaporated. Add the roasted rava, 1 cup of rava, very slowly, otherwise it becomes rocky, hard, lumps. So we don't want lumps, so just add it slowly. After mixing, cover it for a couple of seconds and let it cook. Now add some ghee on top. So the vegetable upma is ready. You can serve it with coconut chutney. I'll leave the link in the description box. Now let's start making the kesari bath. So for kesari bath, again we need roasted rava. So this is again 1 cup. This is my measurement. A 1/4 cup of ghee, same cup of sugar, some kesari color or saffron, that's your choice, and some dry cashew nuts and raisins, and a few cloves and cardamom powdered. So add a teaspoon of ghee. First thing, we will try and fry the cashew nut and the raisin. So these are done. Let's take them out of the ghee. In the same pan, take 1 cup of rava and roast it. You don't have to roast this too much, but when you get this faint, nice smell. This is done. Let's take it out and add some water into the pan. So I added 2 cups of water and I'm adding some cloves. Add the kesari color. This is optional. Now again add the rava little by little. Mix it nicely so that there are no lumps. Now add 1 cup of sugar. The sugar will dissolve and then we'll have to mix it thoroughly. Keep stirring. Make sure there are no lumps. So now it's all nicely mixed. Add the ghee, the remaining ghee. You need a little extra ghee for Kesari bath. Mix it all nicely. Now add the fried cashew nut and the raisin. See, the clarified butter, the ghee is nicely getting mixed. Just before taking it out, add the cardamom, powdered cardamom. So this is ready to be served. We have the vegetable upma and the Kesari bath. This is a very popular South Indian breakfast. It is served like this along with coconut chutney. I have made the chutney in my earlier episode, so I'll put the link in the description box. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.